आप सबके साथ बैठना आज कि आपको क्या पसंद है, क्या कपड़े पहनने चाहते हैं आप?
मैं प्रिंसेस बनना चाहती हूँ।
Why are you doing this partiality with me?
Blame it.
I have absolutely no sense of dress or what to wear. By now, in 35 years, you all must have understood that.
Abu sir does a drawing, which is what gets sampled depending on what he tells us, how he wants it set. He's the genius. So both he and Sandeep sir tell us what to do, then we execute it. Based on a pattern or design, the entire drawing is done within that style. It's embroidered based on the sample. Once that comes back, it gets checked to the size and then stitched. It's going to be a little more formal. Bangalas, open sherwanis. The sitaras are going to be in black. Whereas Amir is going to be in a chicken and Janelia again is in a chicken. For Simran, he was saying let's not do black. And since she wants the princess vibe, the black will be too stark on her and it will take away since it's sitare. So we work with stars.
The film का whole theme is सबका अपना अपना normal. But they are a team, so obviously the first thought will be वो इसको team जैसे सजा देता है. But आप कैसे वो एक common thread ला रहे हो इस चीज़ में?
Sitare. That's it. That's the common thread for all of us.
Hi, we're here to meet the Sitaras now to give them the final trial of the outfit. My team is all here. They're a bit worried that everything fits perfectly. I'm sure it will. It's going to be all there.
On the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, we have Dawn here.
Hi.
His badge looking good?
Yes, star.
He's a star. Sitare, you know? You're a star. You're a superstar. You know, there's more detail at the back as well. Wow. Looks good. Such a big poser, Rishabh.
That I am, always I am.
Serious looks you're giving, huh?
Not bad.
Not bad, no? Now the cameras are on. What are you going to do in front of the cameras? And this is for you to keep now. Abu and me, a present from us. We're going to give it to you as a present.
Wow.
And all the best.
Eddie,
Okay?
सुन तो पहले, we'll wear it in Bangalore and impress a girl.
Sandeep,
Hi, you're looking fab.
I have never been so well dressed in my life. Have you ever seen me like this?
But you have to agree on the hair.
Yeah, I'll do my hair properly. Don't worry.
You call the fashion police on you somewhere. They're all set.
Actually, I hate hosting premieres. I'm doing
You're
it
just
for the
standing
10
as-
sitaras.
Yeah.
This is their evening. I want them to really have a great time.
Hit me,